In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up email reminders in Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you have an important message you need to come back to later, whether it's a work follow-up, a personal task, or an email you simply don't want to forget. Instead of leaving it buried in your inbox, Gmail can remind you by bringing that email back to the top at a time you choose. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once you're inside Gmail, find the email you want a reminder for and open it. This is the message you want Gmail to show you again later. It could be an important follow-up, an invoice, a meeting request, or anything that needs your attention at a later time. Now look at the top of the email and click the three dot icon. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to extra actions for that message. From the menu, click Snooze. This is the feature Gmail uses to temporarily hide the email and then bring it back at the exact time you choose. Next, choose the date and time you want Gmail to remind you. You can pick later today, tomorrow, next week, or a custom date and time that works best for you. Once you select it, Gmail will automatically remove the email from your inbox for now and then show it again when the reminder time arrives. That's it. Gmail will remind you by placing the email back in your inbox at the scheduled time, so you don't have to rely on memory or manual follow-up. It's a simple but very effective way to stay organized and make sure important emails don't slip through the cracks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Gmail guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.